Above icy peaks, a storm rages, a plane struggles, then disaster. Inside the wreckage cold fear, a girl clutches her toy. A red flare slices the sky, a silent cry for help. The pilot sees it, tries to land too late. The snow wins. At dawn, rescuers gear up, maps, stretchers, help. Through the blizzard, jeeps crawl. A chopper hovers above the wreck. Ropes and ladders bridge the gap, a lifeline in the cold. The leader enters the wreck. Inside, silence and shadows. She emerges with the girl, wrapped in silver, bunny in hand. Fire erupts, smoke and panic. The team holds strong. The pilot is dragged out alive. Survivors follow. A hug, a sunrise, tears, they're safe. The chopper lifts, tracks fade in snow. A warm shelter, a mother's arms. The storm is over.